Cristiano Ronaldo has always been known not only for his footballing skills, but also for his professionalism and respect towards his fans, teammates, and the game itself. In one notable instance during an international match, Ronaldo demonstrated his respect by deliberately jumping over a national flag that had fallen on the field, instead of stepping on it. This act resonated with many as it showed his deep sense of respect for symbols of national pride and unity. Such gestures go beyond the competitive nature of sports and highlight the importance of respecting cultural and national symbols, especially on a global stage where athletes are seen as role models. By choosing to jump over the flag, Ronaldo sent a clear message of dignity, acknowledging the flag's significance and showing that his values transcend football. This moment was praised widely as a reminder of how influential sports figures can uphold respect for nations, regardless of their affiliations or rivalries.